We're going to speak today about creating unstoppable team unity. A team that unites in chaos becomes unstoppable in calm. Remember this from earlier in the week. In chaos, scattered forces fail, but united forces triumph. I'm Denise Miller, your Leadership Lady Live, and we're here to talk about integrating teamwork with chaos and understanding that we need to begin to communicate in unity to forge bonds that help us to have team cohesion that thrives in chaos rather than being destroyed by it. The unified team operating system starts with this: establish unity rituals. Start every meeting with team appreciation and every day with shared commitments. Begin every week with collective goal setting. Close every month with unified celebration. And then create a shared identity. Develop team mottos that reflect unity. Create shared language and inside references. Build traditions that reinforce connection and establish team symbols or visual reminders. In fact, you can even create a team song. Implement collective decision making. Create consensus building processes. Ensure that everyone has a voice in solutions. As the leader, you make a solution, but let everyone at least have a voice and make team commitments to decision mandatory. Build mutual support systems. Pair team members as accountability partners. Create help request protocols. Establish peer mentoring relationships and develop collective problem solving approaches. Now, I gave you a lot of things there. Let's talk about how to implement these things practically. First of all, let's have a unity dashboard. Track your team cohesion metrics. Look at cross team frequency, collaboration. Look at voluntary help offered between members. Look at shared decision participation rates. Look at collective problem solving instances. And again, celebration is so important. You can also do weekly unity practices. Monday, have a team alignment meeting. Wednesday, do peer support check ins. Friday, do collective wins celebrations. And then daily, make sure that there's unity language in all communications. Instead of I mean mine, your, yours, use let's, our, we. When chaos strikes, immediately implement the emergency team huddle. We've spoken about that before. Try to do it within 4 hours. Have shared challenge assessments. Plan collaborative responses and have a united front communication. Of course, you've got your daily solidarity check ins. Remember, teams thrive and calm when they've been forged in chaos. So don't back away from it. Unity is your secret superpower. And one last time, remember this: in chaos, teams fail when they're scattered, but when they're united, they succeed. I'm Denise Miller, your Leadership Lady Live. I've given you a lot with this particular video, and I will be happy to discuss it with you further. Just connect with me via my website, dlmstrategiesltd.com, or by email, denisem at dlmstrategies ltd.com. And remember, I'm here to work with you and work with your team to make sure that you're collaborating well, communicating effectively. And I'm here to work with you as the team leader to make sure that you are giving your team your very leadership best. Have a great balance of the day. Thank you so much for listening. Remember to like, to subscribe and to share this material.